Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County, Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, western Crawford County, until 8 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Morrill, or near Marion, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Bucyrus, Upper Sandusky, Lew, Morrill, Marcells, Cary, Benton, Nevada, Caledonia, New Bloomington, North Robinson, Harpster, Osceola, and Sulphur Springs.